Did you know that checking your credit score doesn't have to cost you a single penny? That's right, you can check your credit score for free, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Hi, I'm your credit repair guide, and in this video, I'll walk you through the easiest ways to check your credit score for free in the US. Whether you're new to credit or just want to keep tabs on your score, this video is for you. I remember when I first tried to check my credit score, I was overwhelmed by all the websites asking for my credit card information or promising free scores that weren't really free. If you've ever felt the same way, you're not alone. But here's the good news. There are legitimate, no-strings-attached ways to check your credit score, and I'm going to share them with you today. In this video, I'll show you where to get your free credit score without signing up for expensive services, how to check your credit report for errors that could be hurting your score, tips to monitor your credit regularly without breaking the bank. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to stay on top of your credit for free. Let's get started. Step 1. Use free credit score websites. There are several trusted platforms that offer free credit scores without requiring a credit card. Here are my top recommendations. Credit Karma offers free credit scores and reports from TransUnion and Equifax. Credit Sesame provides a free credit score and basic credit monitoring. NerdWallet gives you access to your free credit score and personalized financial advice. I'll leave links to these websites in the description below. Step 2. Check your free annual credit report. While this isn't your credit score, your credit report contains the information used to calculate your score. You're entitled to a free report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, once a year. To get your report, visit annualcreditreport.com, the only website authorized by the U.S. government for free credit reports. I'll leave the link below. Step 3. Check if your bank or credit card provider offers free credit scores. Many major banks like Chase, Bank of America, and Discover now provide free credit scores to their customers. Log into your online banking account or mobile app to see if this feature is available. It's a great way to keep an eye on your score without any extra effort. Step 4. Sign up for free credit monitoring services. Some websites, like Credit Karma and Credit Sesame, not only give you your credit score, but also alert you to changes in your credit report. This can help you catch errors or fraud early, which is crucial for protecting your score. Now that you know how to check your credit score for free, it's time to take action. Start by visiting one of the websites I mentioned, like Credit Karma or annualcreditreport.com, and get your score today. Remember, knowledge is power, and staying on top of your credit is one of the best things you can do for your financial future. Your credit score is more than just a number, it's a reflection of your financial health. By checking it regularly, you're taking control of your money and your future. You've got this, and I'm here to help you every step of the way. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs this advice. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I read every single one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.